Good morning, Madison Line Cubs. This is Mr. DSK, and I'm here on this marvellous Madison Monday, May 19th morning to share with you what's happening at Madison this week. But before I do so, I'd like you to join me in saying Madison Line Cubs are always respectful, always responsible, and always really, really safe. So I know, and you know, that we're all going to have a great day and a great week. But before we get started on that great day and great week, I do have some announcements for you. The first one is that students will be performing at the Spring Showcase this week. Mr. Tyler will be bringing the kindergarten, first and second graders into the lunchroom at, I think it's 1:15 today, Monday, for their performance. And third, fourth, and fifth will be on Wednesday for their Spring Showcase performance at 1:15. I'm looking forward to both those events, and I'm looking forward to hearing students sing some of the songs that they have learned this year. And thank you, Mr. Jacobs, for all your work bringing music to kids here at Madison in a fun and engaging and educational way. Let's see, on Wednesday, May 21st, we will be hosting an event here at Madison starting at 2 o'clock, and we're asking for volunteers, community volunteers, to come in and help with our sense of place sidewalk installation. So there are going to be 11 kind of different sidewalk activities that are going to be painted around the school, and we need help with painting those installations. So if you're a parent community member and you'd like to help out with that, that starts at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. And be sure to bring some clothes that you don't mind getting stained with paint, unless you're one of those people that's really, really careful when handling paint. I know that I'm not. I get paint splatters all over the place. Let's see. Oh, I know. Friday there is no school. Friday was on the calendar as a snow makeup day, just in case we lost a day of school because of snow. We didn't lose any school days because of snow, so Friday there will be no school. It's a day off. And also, I'd like to remind our students in our community that Monday, May 26th is Memorial Day, and there will be no school in observance of Memorial Day. Well, that's it from me. I'll see you out and about. Bye.